In this video, I will show you how to protect your OKX wallet account by enabling authentications. So first of all, open up your OKX wallet app. And if you aren't started yet on OKX wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get a nice welcome bonus and free crypto up to $50. So this is a really nice way to start your OKX wallet journey. Anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on the top left icon from our home tab. And from here, we're going to click on Profile and Settings. From the Security tab, we're going to scroll down and there we see Authenticator app. And right now it is not set up. So let's click on this. And right now click on Setup Now. And in here you need to enter your phone authentication security code and your email authentication code. So for your phone authentication, it will send a code to your phone number. And for your email authentication, it will send a code to your email. So go ahead and enter these codes and then click on Confirm. So in the previous step, I have pasted in the code that was given to me and I inserted it in the Google Authenticator app. And when you do that and you create it in Google Authenticator, you will get your unique code every time for OKX Wallet. So after you have that created in Google Authenticator, paste the code that you see in your screen in OKX and then click on Confirm. And that is how you link your Authenticator app to your OKX Wallet. And this way your account is protected. So now let's go ahead and click on OK. And now we can see when we go back that our Authenticator app is right now set. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.